July 13, 2010 is when I first uploaded my very first video on YouTube. Now, the reason why I set up this channel is because I wanted to showcase things that I was learning. And you know what? I'm glad that I've stayed true to that, because every time I learn something new, I add it onto the website. But to my surprise, as time went on, slowly people were subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I found it very fascinating because I had a lack of confidence. I didn't even think that what I was doing was benefiting people. So slowly people were signing up and subscribing onto my YouTube channel, and slowly, the traffic went. Now, as you can see in the beginning here, there were moments where I stopped publishing videos because I was suffering from a lack of confidence. I didn't think that I could really give value to anyone out there on the internet. So the passion really started when I created a video called How I Got Started with Web Design. A lot of people really gave me a lot of feedback from that, and from that point onwards, I started creating even more and more videos. And fast forward till today, and you know what? I'm really pleased and amazed that we've made it. You guys, we've made it. Definitely we've made it. Today, when I looked at my phone very early in the morning, I noticed that we had reached the 50,000 subscriber mark. And this is down to you guys, absolutely you guys. Because the reason why I'm saying this is because you are the guys that watch the videos. You are the guys that hit the subscribe button, the like button. And when you do that, my videos get promoted and they get more views. So I really appreciate that you've done this for me. My goal for this site has always been to showcase my experiences with software, and now with this 50,000 subscriber mark, this is a mark of a new chapter. This is where now I'm going to be tapping into new territories. For example, I'm sure you've seen me do tutorials about how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money online and stuff like that through my experience, not just me just talking about it. As you shall see, I'll be going through even more videos where I show you my journey, my personal experiences. Now, the reason why I want to do that is to help you guys out there to, at least if I can change someone's life or encourage someone or inspire someone, that in itself for me is an achievement. And looking at all these subscribers and all these comments that I get every day, it gives me the energy. So guys, do not stop subscribing. Please share the videos that I create, and also comment. Trust me, I read all the comments, the good and the bad. And now if they're extremely bad, definitely I delete them. But if it's great criticism, yes, I do take that into account, and I do apply some of those things that you talk about. I know there's a lot of things that have been said regarding my tutorials, my templates, the audio itself, the quality of the audio, and I've adjusted them. The reason why I do that is because I want to be better and better and better. So as I mentioned, if I can inspire you, if I can get to give you the confidence to do something, to work on your passion and work on your hobbies, for me, that's a massive achievement. But I don't want to take this success as mine. Definitely, you guys, you play a massive role in this, and I'd like to thank you again for us reaching 50,000 subscribers. It's a massive milestone. I never dreamt of hitting 50,000 subscribers, to be honest. When I started off this, it started off as just like as an experiment, but now it's turned into something really big. I mean, I get some comments where some of you are using my tutorials to set up businesses, and you're also using my tutorials even to make money online. And that puts a smile on my face, because that shows that there is progress. What I'm doing is working, and this community is benefiting from what I am doing. And that is why I'm willing to invest more and more. And as you shall see, in the near future, I'm going to be doing a lot of live shows where we can, interact a bit more live on a regular basis. Right now, I'm trying to put out as much content as I can to help you guys, because right now, as you can see, the journey that I'm going through is an exciting one, because I'm experimenting with online marketing, Facebook ads, and all that good stuff. And I believe that if I can make it, you guys can make it. No, there's nothing special about me. We all have something within us. And I believe that we have something that we can do. Sometimes we just need a bit of inspiration, and that's why I'm here, and hopefully I can inspire you to do something on YouTube and set up your own online business. All right, guys, I thought I'll give you an update. I'm really excited and emotional at the same time because 50,000 subscribers, that is huge. That is amazing. So thank you once again from the bottom of my heart. Appreciate your support. Appreciate your help. See you soon.